Are you an artisan, a makeup artist, fashion designer, photographer, hairstylist, and general business owners, especially small business owners? I want to discuss the transfer narration saga going on due to the new tax law that the federal government of Nigeria just introduced. So I'm just going to keep this video short and simple. Federal government is not going to tax all the money that enters your accounts, whether you put narration or you did not include narration when you're making your transfer. Federal government is not going to tax you, and there are some long list of people that are exempted from this new tax law. The only thing that your transfer narrations can help you with is to keep records of what you spent money on when you're calculating your tax. And in addition, federal government is not just going to enter your accounts and deduct your money for tax without your knowledge. And this tax is not paid monthly, it is paid yearly. You are paying tax at the end of the year, and that is where narration comes in. That is when narration is going to help you, because it's going to help you remember the things that you've spent money on. For instance, you're a makeup artist. Let's say the whole money you made throughout the year accumulates to 100 million naira. And after spending on products, your transportation costs, your generator fuel, everything, all your expenses, after calculating all your expenses, all the money you have left is like maybe 500,000, which is your profit. That 500,000 is what the government is going to tax. Do you understand? The government is going to place tax on only that 500,000, not the whole 100 million naira. So just to make the work, to make it easier for you, because you are the one that will sit down, calculate your income, calculate your expenses, and calculate your profit. So to make it easier, that is why it is advised to put narration on every transaction, so that when you are calculating, you can easily recollect what you spent a particular money on at a particular time, so you don't start cracking your brain and looking for receipts up and down. And it is very advisable that when you're calculating your tax, do not lie. Don't lie. Say exactly what you spent money on. Don't go and a money that was meant for let's say, for instance, a makeup session. A customer paid you for a makeup session, and then you went and calculate it as gifts. If eventually the FIRSC did their own investigation and then realized that you lied with your tax, there's a penalty for it. So it is best you do not lie when you are giving calculation at the end of the year. So another thing you can do for better documentation in 2026 to avoid federal government ripping you off your sweat as a small business owner is to get all this booking app that can help you better document your bookings, or you get a notebook or a jotter or a diary or whatever, so that you can document your bookings with dates, amounts, your expenses for that booking, and every other thing. So in a nutshell, federal government is not taxing all the money that is entering into your account as a small business owner. In 2026, I will advise you go and get your business account, as this will help you track your business transactions with no issues. So you have your own personal account separately, and then you have your business account separately. So any money that enters into the business account, you know that this money is meant for business. For better tracking of your income and outcome in 2026, try your possible best to get a business account. Go and register your business.